Hi, so we are back with another gaming laptop video. In today's video, we are talking about Lenovo Y50-70, and another model that came same like this one is the 4070 like this. They all look like same this model, okay, and the mechanism inside is the same. So in today's video, we are actually having an issue with the laptop that when I connect the charging cable to this laptop, the laptop does not turn on. Okay, so we checked here and there and found that this laptop has an issue of DC jack. The DC jack is burned, as you can see here. If I remove this, so this is the issue with the laptop. Because of this burnt DC jack, the laptop does not turn on. So we are going to replace this DC jack. So if your laptop has the same issue, you can follow the instructions in this video to change the DC jack of your uh, laptop. So this is one is Lenovo Y5070 5070. So this is the back cover. Put this aside. This laptop DC jack cable goes from under the motherboard. So we will need to remove the motherboard. First, we will need to remove some cables. This is the VGA cable, display cable. Remove this one first, and then check for all the screws that holds the motherboard. This I opened, so let me zoom it. This and this. True. Now check all the little ribbons if there are. Remove the keyboard, and in your case maybe there will be battery over here. Here, remove the battery as well. I already removed the battery before doing this work. Always remove the battery before doing anything on the motherboard, okay? Because if you will not remove the battery, the electricity inside the battery can cause short circuiting, which can destroy your laptop in mere a second. In the blink of an eye, your laptop will be gone. So be careful while doing anything with connected battery. I will not remove everything, okay? Because if I will remove the entire motherboard, then I will need to remove all the cables, the fan cables and things like that, the speaker, okay? So we will try to keep things as short as possible. So you can see that the DC jack is stick with the double tap, okay? So you will need to remove that. double tap, then carefully remove the DC jack slowly, no need to be doing things like in a hurry, because it's old idiom that haste makes waste. My father used to say this a lot of times when instructing about any work. So remove like this, slowly. There is black tap as well that is holding the, as you can see here. Like this, and remove the black tap, because there is one metal hook that is holding the cable like this. Okay, the burnt DC jack is out now, so put this aside and then take out the new one. This one is good condition, no any burning signs. Put the DC jack to its place, then put in the hook, same like the other one we removed. Then place this okay, then check for any cable. Don't forget to take out the cables from under the motherboard if they are stuck, like this keyboard cable, and this one also going inside. Take it out, take this out, and check for this plastic socket, because it will come outside, otherwise it will be wiggling, the motherboard will be wiggling. Okay, let me zoom it so that you can see it. Now I will put the keyboard and then mouse pad cable and then backlight of the keyboard and then the DC jack and then the LED strip. Okay, so far so good. Before attaching the battery, put the VGA cable back. Do not put VGA cable after attaching the battery. Okay, don't forget this, because if you will try to attach the VGA cable while connected with the battery will destroy all of your laptop, because this electricity will make spark over here, and spark in the VGA cable means your GPU will be gone or CPU will be gone. Okay, so be careful. Now put back the screws of the motherboard. Three screws actually we removed. Okay, now put back the back cover. And if you have already put the battery inside, okay, then you can put the back cover screws as well. Okay, close your laptop back. I will not close my back cover screws because I need to check whether the DC jack is working or not, because before closing or packing the laptop, always check if it is working fine or not, because if you will not check it, then you will need to open everything again. Okay, okay, now the laptop is turning on. As you can see, the backlight is there. So is there any display now? We have a display. Yes, we have. I hope this video will help those people who wants to change the DC jack or replace the DC jack. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more informative laptop related videos. Thank you. Bye bye.